Segment of the show for today. We're talking to the Dean of the School of Engineering, Technology, and Computer Science at Tennessee State University, Dr. Hargrove. And let's, Dean, pick up where we left off the last time and have you to say a few words about the School of Engineering, Technology, and Computer Science at Tennessee State University and what you plan on doing as the dean of that particular institution.
Well, I'm always willing to talk about my college.
Good.
Absolutely. The last point I was making was that in the state of Tennessee, there are about 9,500 graduates in engineering. I'm sorry, in terms of enrolled, but only about 1,450 that graduate.
Right.
The good thing is that that number, you know, there's an opportunity to increase that, and that's one of my primary reasons why I went into education, to play a role in some way to graduate students, to make it more diverse, and to prepare graduates to make an impact in this country when it comes to science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The College of Engineering, Technology, and Computer Science at Tennessee State University is a rich college. It's over half a century old. We have 4 accredited engineering programs: architecture engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, and mechanical engineering, all accredited and outstanding programs. We also have a Department of Computer Science and a Department of Aeronautical and Industrial Technology, where our students can learn to fly, and many of them have done that. So there are 6 outstanding programs in the college that I lead. And I'm very fortunate because I not only have some outstanding faculty in that college, but also some outstanding students. And, you know, I recall back in my student days under Dr. Fred Humphreys, the culture and the environment of being at TSU, a culture of a desire and to succeed. And again, as I alluded to earlier, to transform students irrespective of their background or where they come from.
It really doesn't matter where they came from or where they're going.
Yes, sir.
That's important. I think you indicate, you demonstrate that.
Yes, yeah, exactly. In fact, I call it...
We all do in a real sense. I demonstrate that. Yes, go on.
I call it an opportunity to unleash your unknown potential. And it's really that passion that I have that I really wanted to come back at TSU and do those things. And so, you know, with the programs that we have, you know, the college, I've laid out a pretty aggressive strategic plan. And we have the support of the university environment. Dr. Johnson has been very supportive. The president of TSU has been very supportive in hiring me and laying out a roadmap to move my college forward. Very quickly, if I can, I lay out the strategic plan for my college in what I call the 3 A's: access, affordability, and attrition. The access is focused on recruiting students from community colleges, high schools, and having an outstanding summer pre-college program. We have 4 summer pre-college programs that help students prepare to go to college, as well as for middle school and high school to expose them to the STEM areas and disciplines. So that's the access to attract students and let them know that these are the type of careers you can go toward. The affordability is focused on how do we attract scholarships as well as research. In the past year that I've been here, we've been able to attract a number of major research grants from the National Science Foundation. Dr. Maria Thompson, the Vice President of Research and Sponsored Programs, has been very supportive of our college. And we've partnered with a number of other units on the campus and attracted close to $5 million in just 1 year alone to support students, as well as the infrastructure and the facilities and scholarships for the students that are in our college.
And so you get the whole thing, not only the scholarship for the students, but also buildings and other equipment and all of those things.